Hey everyone, welcome back to Morning English Talk.
Hello, hello. It's great to see you again. How are you today, Emma?
Well, not perfect to be honest. I think I have a little cold.
Oh, no. Are you okay? You sound a bit different today.
Yeah, my throat hurts a little and I sneezed about 10 times this morning. Achoo!
Bless you. Poor Emma. Do you have a fever?
No, I don't think so. Just a sore throat and a stuffy nose.
Sounds like a common cold. Did you sleep well last night?
Not really. I woke up a few times coughing.
That's the worst. You should rest and drink lots of water.
I know. My grandma always says rest, tea, and honey fix everything.
Wise grandma. So, today's topic is perfect. We're talking about health and feeling sick in English.
Yes, even when we don't feel great, it's good to know how to talk about it.
So let's start with something easy. Emma, how do you tell someone you're sick?
I usually say, I don't feel well, or I feel sick.
Exactly. And you can also say, I have a cold, or I have a headache.
Right. For example, I have a sore throat, or I have a fever.
Yes, I have plus the symptom. That's super common.
And when you feel better, you can say, I feel much better now.
Good. What about when you're really tired?
Oh, easy. I'm exhausted. Or I'm very tired.
Perfect. So if someone asks, how are you feeling? You can answer in many ways. I feel good. I feel bad. I feel tired. I feel sick.
And sometimes we use I'm instead of I feel, like I'm sick or I'm tired.
Exactly. Both are fine in conversation.
Let's go over some useful words about health.
Yes, repeat them after us if you can.
Headache, when your head hurts.
Toothache, when your tooth hurts.
Stomachache, when your stomach hurts.
Sore throat, when your throat hurts.
Cough, when you go.
Cold, when your nose is stuffy and you sneeze.
Fever, when your body is too hot.
Doctor, the person who helps you feel better.
Medicine, something you take when you are sick.
Rest, when you stop and relax to recover.
Exercise, to move your body to stay healthy.
Healthy, when you feel strong and good.
Sick, when you feel bad.
Great. These are the most common health words for daily life.
So let's imagine I'm going to the doctor today.
Okay, I'll be the doctor. Hello, Emma. How are you feeling today?
Hi, Dr. Leo. I don't feel very well. I have a sore throat and a headache.
Do you have a fever?
No, I don't think so, but I feel very tired.
Okay. Do you cough a lot?
A little bit, mostly in the morning.
All right. I think you have a cold. You should rest, drink water, and take this medicine.
Thank you, Dr. Leo. How many times a day should I take it?
3 times a day. Morning, afternoon, and night.
Okay, thank you. I'll rest today.
Good idea. And no cold drinks.
Aw, no iced coffee?
No iced coffee. Only warm tea with honey.
Okay, I'll survive.
See? Talking about your health is actually easy once you know the right words.
Yes, you just need I have, I feel, and some common symptoms. Let's talk about staying healthy. What do you usually do, Emma?
Well, I try to eat vegetables every day.
That's good. Do you exercise?
Sometimes I walk my dog in the park. Does that count?
Yes, walking is great exercise.
And you, Leo, what do you do to stay healthy?
I drink lots of water and I go to the gym 3 times a week.
Wow, impressive. I should do that too.
But health is not only about the body, it's also about the mind.
Oh yes, mental health is very important.
Exactly. I try to sleep well, listen to music, and spend time with friends.
I love that. When I feel sad or tired, I usually go for a walk or watch a funny movie.
Good idea. Laughter is great medicine.
True. So, good food, sleep, exercise, and positive thoughts. That's the secret.
Perfect formula.
Okay, let's practice together. Repeat after us if you can.
Emma, I feel sick.
Leo, I have a headache.
Emma, I need to see a doctor.
Leo, I feel tired today.
Emma, I have a cold.
Leo, I feel much better now.
Emma, I need some rest.
Leo, I drink a lot of water.
Emma, I sleep 8 hours every night.
Leo, I eat healthy food.
Emma, I go for a walk every day.
Leo, awesome. That's how you talk about your health in English.
Yes, easy, right?
So, Emma, how are you feeling today?
I'm feeling better, thank you. My throat is not so bad now.
That's great news. Did you take the medicine?
Yes, I did. 3 times a day, just like Dr. Leo said.
Laughs. I'm glad you followed my advice.
I also drank hot tea with honey and lemon. It really helped.
Nice. See? Simple things can make a big difference.
You're right. And I slept for almost 10 hours last night.
Wow. That's better than any medicine.
I feel more energetic and happy today.
Perfect. So, what did you learn from this experience?
That I need to rest when I'm tired, eat better, and not drink iced coffee when I have a cold.
Exactly. And to know how to describe how you feel in English.
Right, because when you travel or study abroad, that's super useful.
Yes. Imagine being in another country and saying, "Excuse me, I don't feel well." That helps people understand you quickly.
True. And you can add, I have a headache, or I need a doctor.
Very practical English for real life.
Let's review some key words one more time.
Sure. Repeat after us.
Cold, fever, headache, sore throat.
Cough, tired, rest, medicine.
Doctor, healthy, exercise, water.
Sleep, food, walk, strong.
Great job.
So, Emma, are you ready to go rest after this lesson?
Oh, absolutely. After we finish, I'm making tea and going back to bed.
Good plan. And I'll go to the gym, but maybe I'll bring you some soup later.
Oh, that's so kind.
Listeners, remember, your health matters. Use these expressions when you talk about how you feel.
And take care of yourself, body and mind.
That's all for today's episode of Morning English Talk.
Thanks for listening, everyone.
Stay healthy, stay positive, and keep practicing your English.
And in our next lesson, we'll talk about something fun, your free time.
Yes, how to talk about your hobbies and favorite activities in English.
Both. See you in lesson 17. Bye.